So today we are going to learn how to create Azure pipelines in order to be able to um, build your projects and run your automated unit tests um, to guarantee that your system is working fine beyond your development environment. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create a pipeline for one of these repositories. You will see that here I have this folder, and inside this folder there is a solution. We are going to create a pipeline for that solution, and you will see that here we also have some test projects such as this one. We are going to create a test or configured step to run this test. This system is running under .NET Core, but it has some other additional things. For example, there is a database project here also, so we need to compile that. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to pipelines. We do new pipeline. We will choose this project is actually in TFS, so I will choose the Team Foundation version control. Yeah, and I don't care about all of the root. I only care about the core and the solution folder, which has all of the projects I want to build. After that, I'll hit continue, and this is an important step. I can choose here if it's .NET Core or if it's something else. Since this solution actually has a lot of a lot of projects, the things that I want to do is kind of do it manually. So get sources, that's already configured. Okay, here we have the agent. Okay, that's configured. Now one of the things I want to do is, I know this solution has a lot of NuGet packages, so I'll go for NuGet and I'll add the NuGet tool installer. Tell the use NuGet. Okay, I won't choose the version. The next step it's going to be the use of NuGet, and I'm going to tell it that it's going to be restored and it's going to be based on the actual solution I am going to build. So it will take the configuration from that solution and it will restore based on what's configured in that solution. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to create a Visual Studio build step. I don't want to build all of the solutions. I only want to build the solution that I set a couple of minutes ago. This one. Then the next step I want to do is I want to run the unit tests. So now the thing with these unit tests in these specific projects is that those unit tests are actually in .NET Core. So I'll add .NET Core. I'll say that this is going to be a test step, and I only want to build this project, or this is the only file or test file I care at the moment. So what I will do is set it to publish. Now in the build solution there's something I missed. In platform I will set any CPU. In configuration I will put it to release, and I think that's all we have to do. Then we save and queue, and we save or run. So now this is going to run, and you will see that it will run everything. So this is a sample run from other pipeline I had recently created. So you will see that here, for example, this one passed. It executed some tests. I have 3 tests currently in that pipeline, and the definition is basically the same. They use NuGet, the NuGet restore, the build solution, and the .NET test. So you will see that this one already initialized the job. It's now checking out, is getting the use NuGet and all that. So that will finish in a while. But that's one way actually to do the to create Azure pipelines for your Visual Studio solutions, especially if you have like a lot of different projects and a lot of different like SDKs and things that you have in your solution. I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much and have a great day.